With iOS 26, Apple finally lets you create your own custom ringtone right from your iPhone. And the best part is that you don't need a computer to do this. All we will need is an MP3 or M4A file in the Files app on our iPhone, or you're going to download a ringtone from the internet for free, as long as it's less than 30 seconds long. So let's set a custom ringtone on our iPhone in just a couple of steps without using our computer or third-party applications. The first thing is to make sure that you're running iOS 26 on your iPhone or newer, because this is a feature which Apple has rolled out recently. I already have this update, so I'm going to exit the Settings app, and then I'm going to get my ringtone. You can use Google to search for and download ringtones for free. You just have to find a good website, which is going to give you ringtones in an MP3 or an M4A file format. I'll simply open Google in order to do this, and then type something like "download ringtones free," and then hit enter on your keyboard. I will be using this specific website, which is called zedge.net, and this website will give us a lot of free ringtones which we can download and use. I'll make sure to leave this specific website link in the description of this video, so you can open the correct website. When you open this page, you can browse through a collection of ringtones which they offer and tap on a ringtone in order to take a listen. Or you can use this search bar which is located at the top of your screen, and then type what kind of ringtone you want to find and download. I want to set a nostalgic ringtone on my iPhone as an example in this video, so I'll search for the Nokia ringtone. Tell me in the comments down below which ringtone brings back memories to you, or what's your favorite ringtone? I'd like to know. Mine is the Nokia one, so I'll find a ringtone which I think would be good for my phone. Here is a Nokia 3310 ringtone, so I'll tap on this ringtone to open it, and then I'll take a listen. I like this one, so the next step for us is to click on this purple download button at the top of my screen, and then wait for the ad to play for a couple of seconds. When the ad finishes, you'll be able to download this and many other ringtones for free. I'm then going to tap on the little arrow in order to open this section, and then tap on the Downloads option. Here is our ringtone which we had just downloaded, so just tap on it to open it, take a listen one more time and check if this is the one. And let's now set this as our ringtone and import it into the ringtones section of the iPhone Settings app. I'll click on this little share icon which is located in the bottom right corner of my screen. The share menu will appear where I'll have a couple of options. A new feature with iOS 26 is this Use as Ringtone right here, and I'll tap on this once. The ringtone will automatically be set and it will be imported into the ringtones. As you can see, here is the Nokia 3310 ringtone which I downloaded from the internet, and I can now enjoy in that nostalgic sound every time someone calls me. If you found this guide useful and you would like more similar videos like this one, then please make sure to subscribe to Tutor so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you soon.